Hello, this is Bent Wiggle here, and today I'm going to show you my Thomas & Friends layout that should be filling in for Season 1 and 2, hopefully. Thank you. So, here we have Tidmouth Sheds. So if you go along this line, you go past that track, and you come to the wharf. So let's just jump over there real quick on the narrow gauge line. So here, this is Old Taken Play. So here's Duncan, my yellow Rheneas heading into a mine. Ned. Then the track switches around. Then there's a tunnel. That'll be an episode in Season 1. Then we go on this line to the Cloven's Gate Mine. And then there's magic buffers. So, back onto this line, we have an express train being pulled by Stanley. And we go around this corner, and which that leads to some wacky track that I had just got. It goes around in a loop, past the wood station, and then so after that, you pull into the docks, where Bulstrode Hug is, Jimmy the Tractor, the Barrel, a guy that oils the Titan, which is a custom. There's Cranky, Salty, Scruff. Now on Scruff's line, it goes to the coaling station, and then right behind Ferdinand is a Kentucky Fried Chicken, and then there's a unknown engine shunting Hector, and then there's the back of the station. And then there's scrap all over. So if we take Mike's line, we go past the switch. I can't show you that until the last episode of Season 1. And so we go around the corner to where Duck is, pulling up to a signal. So then we go around the corner. Oops. Around the corner. And then we reach this side of the island, where it's the diesel fueling station and also the works. There's Lady coming in from that line. There's going to be some buffers there. And then Edward coming into the works with where Scruff and Birdie are. And I'm not sure if you can see this, but there's a guy right there that's drinking some coffee. And he's all chilling out and stuff. It's pretty cool. So, let's turn it back. So on Percy's line, we go up onto this bridge, go up over this hill, and then we go around past the narrow gauge line and up to where Henry is, and that right there, the line that Henry's on, goes down and around, and which now comes up over onto this side where an unknown engine is falling off the track and into there. Now we are moving to Arsdale Castle. So, now that we are at Arsdale Castle, there's Frank, and then there's Godred the Ertl with the zoo cars with Ben, unknown visitor engine. And then the line that Frank is on goes over a big bridge. Then you see my other wacky track. Comes down through some rocks with a Hot Rod Lincoln, and then a tanker. There's Diesel, and it goes off a cliff. Then there's Albert, as I think his name is, or Alfred. It's Albert. So that line then, that he is on, goes around. Oh, and right here is the Arsdale Estate Castle. So there's a statue of Thomas in the building. That won't last long. Then there's a Lego work building, a cement mixer, and a truck. So here we have the latest addition to my collection. This is not a Thomas & Friends product. It is from Planes, the new movie by Disney, Planes. It's kind of like Cars, but it's with planes. This guy is Leadbottom. He's pretty cool. I like the detail with his eyes. Not sure if you can see it. He has like a little flight cap on. It's pretty cool. So then there's also this red biplane and a helicopter. So on this track that Albert was on, it goes behind a corner and down a ramp. Coming back over here, you go past some rocks, and then down another hill to where Bertram is, and then that goes off a cliff, and then there's Dan, the Diesel, the Express Diesel. He's kind of like Daisy. And then right down below it is some freight cars, an old shed, and this is a Great Western engine by Matchbox. It's pretty much Duck. He's pretty cool. I used it as if he had crashed down. So now I'm going to give you an overview of the layout. Hopefully you can see all of this. So that is my layout for hopefully season 1 and 2. I hope you subscribe and watch my videos. Thank you. That Lego signing out.